So today, last night I wasn't feeling well, so that's why my voice is low and stuff. So, yeah, but I decided I was going to rate my fidgets, and I made some new fidgets out of balloons and water. So this one, it pops good on both sides, except the easy one is real easy, but the hard side is just like a regular one. So, yeah. That sounds good. It is. Can't hear it, but it pops good. You hear it a little. So, I'm rating this out of 20. I'll give this a 19 out of 20. Because it pops good on both sides. It's rainbow, it's colorful. So, yeah. I got a new fidget. But that's going to be last, alright? That cookout was amazing. We had hamburgers, hot dogs, and we got on trampoline, and we had so much fun, and yada. Me and my daddy was looking forward to moving to a new house. Because this house doesn't have no stairs. All you do is just walk. And it's not even that big. So I want a playroom, and my room, and my little office. Yeah, my little office. Because my dad has his own office. My mama has her own office. He has like a working office with work stuff. My mama just has a closet, not like a closet where you fit clothes, like a closet room where shoes go, stones, and stuff. And she supplied to do my hair because it's messed up. But I'm getting it done today. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm getting tired of it too. So this one, it doesn't pop good. I'm gonna rate this out of 10. It pops good on this side because it's the easy side. I'll rate this out of 10. This, sorry, but I have to rate this out of 5 out of 10. 5. Now, and I made a new fidget too. So these are my two heart puppets. So yeah, they both pop good on each side. I'll rate this out of 10 too. 9 out of 10, they're okay. Because they're small. And they have a hole, you can make a little necklace out of it. Oh, and I have one more mini poppet. So, let me go get it. Here it is. This is Travis. He gave it to me. And I was going to give him this cactus poppet, but I tricked him. Now I have both. And he said he sell this poppet, but I got it. But yeah. So, this is the hard side. I thought it pops good. See, that sounds great. So 8 out of 10 because it's okay. All right, my marble. Yep, my marble mash. All you're doing is just rolling a ball in into a thing. So 3 out of 10. But they're cool. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I like this green color. I like the colors, but even though pink's my favorite color, pink. Even though it's my favorite color, I like this green better. It's a little lighter. So, yeah, 3 out of 10. 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 And then a bull rock. But my wacky track. We try to prank my friend Alana by making it seem like we got into a fight, and then she twisted my neck, and I said, and then we were trying to get Alana's reaction. Then I woke up and I scared her and said, "Roar." So yeah, it's pretty cool for pranks and stuff, and you can make it into different shapes, and you can share it. So this okay. Ouch. I have an orange and yellow. No, orange and green. Orange and green one, but I left it at school, so a friend Julia gonna give it to me tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow. Yes, you want to have that it does go to black, white, green, or blue. So I feel like to do some. So a 7 out of 10. These some necklaces that I got. I bought this. These are not a fidget, but these are just necklaces and stuff. So all my party stuff I'm gonna take out. All right. So this is a red regular balloon. You know. And kaboosh. 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 Gip, 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 kaboosh. 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 Kaboo. Oh shoot. Kaboosh. And kaboosh. actually looks kind of cool. Okay, so yeah, that's the one I made, and then I made this one. So this is just a small thing with water. So yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't break that. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Pretty bored, so 4 out of 10. Mini beans, 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 beans. I'm a bad big listen. Alright. It's so cute, and it has a little face on the middle one. So cute. 10 out of 10. Or 9 out of 10. It's cute though. I have a new fidget. But that's last. These are my 2 monkey noodles. I had 3, but I couldn't find the orange one. But don't worry, it's somewhere around here. We have a someone in a boardroom. It's easy in a boardroom. So I'm giving it a little twist. Little twist. Little twist. Little twist. Little twist. And look at it. It's good for beating behind. 7 out of 10. My new fidget. Yep. You ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes. And open. I got Pop 2. I got a mini. I got the mini kind because that's all I found. That's all I could find. So it's pretty cool. So I want to show you what you can make out of this. Alright. So you can make a bracelet. I should have got pink and purple. But It looks like I got 3 teeth. I'll be swinging fidgets in my head to my toes. Another on my right. That's it. So these, I just got them yesterday from the cookout. Uh, 10 out of 10. 1,000 out of 10. Just 1,000. But when I get my needle, it's going to be over a million. Over a million out of 10. Over. If I get my needle. I'll be ready to finish in my head to my nose. To the fish on the board. Try to guess the song. Hold on. Guess the song, okay? Just hold on. Guess the song. I'll be ready to finish to my head, to my toes. I'll write down. So me and my daddy going to look at we're going to look at some houses that we like. And yeah. I'll be ready to finish to my head, to my toes. I'll be ready for fidgets to my left, to my toes. I'll be ready for fidgets to my head, to my toes. Another on my right. I have a halo mixed with the garden. Ooh, I made a necklace. Hey, I made a necklace. Hey, I made a itty bitty titty bitty bitty necklace for me. You got to beat it all the way down to the South Wall now. do, 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 do. This is like a million out of 10. A million. Because it's so cool. You can play tug of war. Hey, y'all want to play tug of war? Which color? Yellow or red? Comment down below. Red and yellow. Here you go. Tug of war. Tug of war. Oh shoot. Tug of war. Tug of war. I won. I won. For a second I thought they broke. This thing is plastic. Just 10 out of 10, 1,000 out of 10, 10,000 out of 10. It goes for baby, but the giant ones are bigger and thicker. Try to guess how many frizzes on these things are on. I'll let y'all get a little. I'll let y'all get a count. Bungee on my right, I'll be sweating to the left of the door. Another on my right, I'll be sweating to the left. Alright, press play. It's time for the channel. And then on my right, I'll be swinging fidgets to the left of my toes. And then on my right, I'll be swinging fidgets to the left of my toes. Do, 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 do. Police spam keep calling my iPhone. I wish they would stop calling my iPhone. I wish they would. Do you wish they would stop calling my mama? Mommy, mama, mom. Yeah. Yeah. I have a bit of, yeah. I have a bit of. I've been sending pictures on the left of my nose. Alright, Prince Map. I did it. I've been sending pictures on the left of my nose. Another on my right. I've been sending pictures to the left of my nose. Ebony T. It's life was true. You can laugh if you want to. So that is all for today. Oh wait, nope. I have one more fidget. Well, you know, pop it. Da-da, ba-ba-da-da, ba-da-da, 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 ba-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Way am I, way am I. So right now it has many drop tubes. It has tears on its eyes. It has tears on its eyes. Shut your dumb self up. Shut your dumb self up. Shut your Alright, this is the good side. Another of my right. I be spinning to the left of my toes. Another of my right. I be spinning to the left of my toes. Ten out of 10. No, 20 out of 20. That's all for today, guys. Bye.